Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect dYdX to Bookmap. And if you want to do this, the first thing that we are going to do is go to settings and select manage plugins. Then right now you will find right here all the plugins, and if you scroll down you will find right here dYdX. And if you want to download this, you can already see it right here on my marker. This adapter is only supported by Bookmap versions from 7.4.0.10 to 7.6.1.999. So if you want to do that, search on Bookmap for that version. And then once you find that version, you need to click right here on install. So right now you click on install, and then when it's installed, we go back and we go to connections, click on configure, and then click right here on add connection. And then you will find right here in this list dYdX. So right now I will do that, for example, with bitget, just to show you how to connect it. But you need to select dYdX right here. If it's standing right here on the new version, click on it, do OK. And then we go to connections, and then you can click right here on bitget. And then for you, of course, dYdX. And then right now, if you go here to the bottom, you see that bitget is connected. So this is what you need to do with dYdX, and this is how you can connect it to Bookmap. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.